Hi, welcome to another video. Okay, we are now at Little Guilin. It's at a Bukit Batok area. This is a small nature park. Okay, this place has a lake and a small lake and a quarry. Okay, now this is the quarry. Has been here for many years. This place has been here for many years. Okay, now a lot of people come here to take photographs. They like this place very much. It's a beautiful place for wedding photo shoot. Many people come here for wedding photo shoot, or during weekends or holidays you can see groups of friends. They come here to take photograph, group photos, because they like the scenery very much, especially the quarry together with the lake. It's a very beautiful combination. There are also some wildlife here. I'll show you. Come, let's have a closer look. Okay, we are going to walk down now. I have seen lots of monitor lizards here. Monitor lizards. I've seen a lot of tortoises, some catfishes, and there was once upon a time over the other side I saw a python. Like what I say in my earlier videos, reptiles, monitor lizards and pythons, they belong to the reptile family. They are cold-blooded. They like this kind of area with water and thick vegetation. Now this place is quite thick if we go in and have a look. Okay, I see a tortoise over there. Let me bring you closer. Okay. Okay, can you see it? Okay, that's one. There are lots of them down here. They love swimming. Let's see if we can see anything else. Ah, there's one over there resting. Let's have a closer look. Can you see it? Now let's go the other side, this side. All right. Okay, here you go. Hello. Now, some time ago, I came over here. I saw a huge monitor lizard, very huge monitor lizard. Okay, it was swimming. It was swimming from this side all the way, swimming and went to. Can you see the tree here? Yeah, it went to the rock and it started climbing up. Yeah, this was the area where I saw. Okay, there are some fallen logs here. This was the place. Okay. Yep. That's a nice tree. If you love nature, you have to come here. Okay, now let us go to the other side, and have a look, see if we can find any monitor lizards or any other animals, wildlife. I can show it to you. All right, come, let's go to the other side. Okay, the rocks down here are pretty huge. Okay, you see the tree? You look at the roots of this tree. Okay, can you see now? Like the formation of the rocks, and the tree has just grown on it all these years, many years. And you look at the roots. They are sticked so to these rocks. It's very difficult to separate them. This is nature. Look at the rocks and the roots of this tree. So many roots. They are all sticked to the rocks. Okay, we are here. Now let us walk down. Now if you come to this kind of places, make sure you don't wear slippers, and make sure you wear your shoes. Okay, you can wear your boots, you can wear your safety shoes, you can wear your sports shoes. The most important thing is you don't slip and fall down, especially if you come here after rain. After it rains, it'll be very muddy. Okay, these places it'll be very muddy. Okay, now there are a few times where even I fell down. Now let us go down. Yeah, we were on the other side just now, the other side of the lake. Now we are here. Oh, I can hear a rooster. I just heard a rooster. There are some chickens and rooster on top. Imagine the voice of a rooster is so loud. I can hear it from this side. Now, if you look at this rock, right, from here, if you look, it's like it's a small rock. Okay, it's like not so high. But if you go up there and look down, you'll know how high it is. It's quite high. Okay, we can see how thick the vegetation is. That tree over there is quite tall. Can you see this tree? Yeah, it's quite tall. I can hear the sounds of birds. A lot of people come here. They go to the stadium nearby. There's a stadium nearby. They go there. They After they finish their jogging, they come here, they sit down with their water bottles, they drink and they sit down here. No, they like to admire the nature and listen to the sounds of the birds. Okay, there was a landslide here some time ago. Here it was during a rainy season. The mud just came down. That's why they advise people climbing is not allowed. They don't allow people to climb up there because anytime you may slip and you just fall down to the lake. Okay, can you see these rocks over here? Yeah, you can see down here. Many people, they like to, they come, when I said they come here to take photographs, right? Yeah, they used to sit down in these rocks, all these rocks here. Yeah, they used to sit down here for a drink. They take photographs or chit chat. Now let us go in there and I'll show you something, okay? Okay, we are now going to go up. I'm going to show you something. Okay, many years ago, I used to trek up here, up the hill. But now it is closed because of landslide. There was a landslide, there was a huge landslide here. Yep, this is a tapioca. There's a tapioca potato, Yeah. The tapioca, the potato that we eat is in the roots. You need to pull this plant out. Yeah, all these are tapioca. Yep, we got some nice flowers here. So this is a path. I think people have they trekked to this way before. They went up here for a hike. I can see the path where they walked. The vegetation here is quite thick. Okay, now last time we can trek up here, but because of the landslide, there was a landslide here, so they closed up this place for the public. To the public, they closed up this place to the public. We are not supposed to go up there. If not, if this place was still open, you can go to the other side. Okay, if this place, if it is still open, you can go to the other side. The other side is Hillview Rise. I've been there before last time when this place was open. Alright, so okay, unfortunately today we did not see any monitor lizards. We only saw tortoises. We heard the sounds of some birds. Okay, so okay, thank you very much for watching my video. I'll come up with another video in another place, same places of nature, and thank you very much for joining me. Alright.